wood stain. You don't have to stop there with the wood protection. What next? Well, if you want an even higher quality finish, then we can recommend a product called Hardwax oil from Osmo, which is basically a hardwax oil which is made out of all kinds of natural materials, from sunflower oil, flaxseed oil, linseed oil to beeswax, manuka honey. All of these ingredients help to really nourish the wood. They add a really durable layer, helps the wood to be resistant from impact damage. It also adds a really protective waterproof layer on the wood, which allows the wood to be protected year after year to stop any staining. Of course, it's inevitable over the years on furniture like tables, nested tables, that spillages are going to occur, especially on the dining tables. Now, if you can add a high quality protective layer to your wood, to your pieces of furniture, and it allows the pieces of wood to be stain resistant from things like wine and coffee. Osmo claim that their Hardwax oil is stain resistant from things like water, tea, coffee and even wine. That sounds like an amazing way of protecting the wood year after year.
If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to learn more, please subscribe below to stay in touch so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos.